We are in Chicago and we're staying at the Trump International Hotel. We're on the 27th floor, room 2791. This is the room, and this is a river view room. Start as you get in. You have your bathroom area on the side. Nice big mirror. The ambient lighting. Turn on all the lights there. You can see a really nice and spacious shower with a tub inside the shower area. Super cool in that. Nice sink. All the cups, everything there. Have the towels. There's the toilet area, and they give you a scale with some robes. You can come across here opposite the door. We have a closet. That's just a nice little coat closet. Lights up when you open the door. Then come around to your little kitchenette area. Pretty cool. You've got drawers that are stocked, cabinet, dishwasher, a little stove, sink. The water and the Nespresso is complimentary. And then we have the microwave and the stuff from their mini bar, and the fridge is also stocked. The room is very nice and spacious. The guys bring up your luggage, they'll lay it out in the room for you. And then take a look at the space in this room. Nice king size bed. Doesn't even look that big in the size of the room. Nightstands. Then come over here and we have the main closet. Again, those lights turn on when you open the doors. Tons of hanging space. Storage down there. You have the Trump slippers, and even some stuff to use your shoes with your shoes in the laundry bag. So nice brush and the thing to help you slide your shoes on. And we also have a nice full-length mirror on that door. All right, now let's get across there. There's the bed again. Couch. Nice little sitting area. Got the nice big desk, phone. This pad that you can write on. There's a writing pad there as well. You can see from this side. Nice ice bucket, really big TV, and just overall very spacious room. And the cool part is this room is the river view. So we're on the 27th floor, which again is the highest level of the hotel. There you can see the city and the river going all the way out to the lake. Really cool view over here. Just for comparison, that's London House across there, and they have their rooftop bar as like one of the attractions, and we're higher up than that rooftop bar right now. Great shot of the city over there. Come around to the side. Even more views, you can see all the way down. And then if you look down, you can see down by the street level and the other side of the river, again going all the way out to the lake. Really cool views up here. That is the room.